Every trader dreams about winning, but almost nobody prepares for losing. And yet losses are the one thing every market wizard has faced. The difference is not that professionals avoid pain. The difference is they survive it. In Market Wizards, legendary trader Jack Schwager interviewed some of the greatest minds in trading history. Different personalities, different strategies, different backgrounds. But they all shared one brutal truth: losses are unavoidable. Most beginners think success comes from predicting the market correctly. But the professionals in this book understood something deeper. Trading is not about being right all the time. It's about controlling damage when you're wrong. One market wizard compared trading to professional fighting. In both worlds, pain is guaranteed. The goal isn't avoiding punches. The goal is staying disciplined enough to continue fighting intelligently after getting hit. The market punishes emotional reactions faster than bad analysis. Revenge trading, emotional entries, doubling positions after losses. These are not trading mistakes. They are emotional mistakes disguised as strategy. The great traders in Market Wizards treated losses like business expenses. Just like a restaurant expects rent or electricity bills, professional traders expect losing trades. It's simply the cost of staying in the game. A small loss feels painful in the moment, but a massive emotional loss can destroy years of progress. The Market Wizards were obsessed with one thing above all else: protecting capital. Hope is dangerous in financial markets. The professionals cut losses quickly because they understood something beginners often ignore: the market does not care about your opinion, your bias, or your emotions. One wizard explained that trading is like sailing through storms. You cannot control the weather. You cannot stop the waves. But you can control your risk, your direction, and your emotional response. Social media teaches traders to worship profits. But the market wizards focused on something completely different: consistency. Because anyone can get lucky once, very few can survive for decades. Even the greatest traders in history suffered devastating losing streaks. Some lost millions. Some doubted themselves. Some nearly quit. But what separated them from everyone else was emotional recovery. The market wizards didn't just train strategies. They trained their minds. Because after losses, discipline disappears first. And when discipline disappears, destruction usually follows. One of the most powerful lessons from the book is this: professionals review themselves more than they review charts. They study behavior. They study psychology. They study patterns inside their own emotions. Most people enter the market searching for excitement. But market wizards avoided emotional highs completely. Because trading driven by adrenaline eventually becomes gambling. The greatest traders understood the mathematics of survival. Small, consistent risk keeps you alive long enough for probabilities to eventually work in your favor. Sometimes the smartest trade is no trade at all. Many market wizards stepped away completely after emotional losses, because they knew a damaged mindset creates dangerous decisions. Losses can either break your confidence or build your wisdom. Every painful mistake carries a lesson hidden inside it. And the traders who survive are the ones willing to learn from pain instead of running from it. The market doesn't reward intelligence alone. It rewards emotional maturity. And sometimes the journey from beginner to professional is simply the journey of learning how to handle losses without losing yourself. Most people quit after failure. The market wizards adapted after failure. That single difference created extraordinary wealth, freedom, and longevity. Because success is not built by avoiding losses but by surviving them intelligently. Handling losses is not just a trading lesson. It's a life lesson. Every setback teaches discipline. Every failure reveals character. And every recovery makes you stronger than before. If this video added value to your journey, hit that like and subscribe button and tell me in the comments which book you want uncovered next. Because this is only the beginning.